In this tutorial, we will go through several command line tools that are commonly used for basic network troubleshooting on Windows 10 and Windows 11 system. These commands can help resolve various network issues such as connectivity problem, DNS resolution problem, and more. Now all the commands are registered already in reset network batch file. Let me show you. Just open the notepad. If you want to know which commands are used in it, you can simply drag into the notepad. Now all the commands will be appear over here. The first one command is netsh space int space ip space reset. This command resets TCP/IP settings to their default values. It can be helpful if you are experiencing network connectivity issue due to corrupted or misconfigured setting. Now the second command is netsh winsock reset. Similar to the preview command, this resets the winsock catalog back to its default configuration. Winsock is responsible for handling network communication in Windows. Now number 3, ipconfig/release. This command releases the current IP address configuration of all network adapters on the system. Now number 4, ipconfig/renew. This command clears the address resolution protocol, which is ARP cache, which release IP addresses to MAC addresses on a local network. Now the next one is ARP-D and nbtstat -r. This command clears and reload the NetBIOS name cache. And again nbtstat space -rr means $R. Similar to the preview commands, but it also releases and refreshes NetBIOS name registered with Wins server. Now ipconfig/flushdns. This command flushes the DNS resolver cache which stored DNS query result. And then ipconfig/registerdns. This command refreshes all DHCP leases and re-register DNS name. These commands can be used in sequence or individually depend on the specific networking issues you are facing. Remember to run them with administrator privileges in command prompt. Just click on the search icon, search for CMD, and then right click on your CMD, run as administrator. And now there you go. You can apply all these commands one by one. Either you can simply right click on this file and then run as administrator, so it will apply all the commands without making any issue. Now simply click on run anyway and it will apply all the commands, and after that it will close itself. I hope guys you like today's video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. As you know guys, we are working on the suggested topic that you are facing, so feel free to drop your suggestion in the comment section. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.